My name is Lugh O'Neill. I'm a composer and sound artist, and whereas most composers or composition happens on a linear timescale, I usually try to work with another axis, which is space, so that as to add another kind of more multi-dimensional aspect to it. I'm the recipient of an award from STARTS for the creation of this project called Karst, which was produced with CCCB and Sónar+D and is being premiered here at Sónar today. Karst is a spatial sound composition and sound installation. To produce Karst, myself and a few colleagues, other musicians, went to various spaces such as natural caves, the intention of it being to bring people's attention to those spaces and to address the absence of acoustic, let's say, understanding or acoustic consideration in contemporary spaces and public spaces in our cities. So I think that at this point it's important for anybody, no matter what they're doing, to engage with public spaces and cities and the future of cohabitation and existence in them. In this case, we're focusing on acoustic space and soundscapes inside our cities. So I've basically exchanged with various people. What we've been doing is entering spaces which are not usually publicly accessible to draw attention to the fact that a lot of the more interesting acoustic spaces actually are found outside of public space, or not accessible. So one of the environments we've been in is the Depósito de Aguas Pluvial, just beside here underground. It's a reservoir that gathers rainwater and has much more interesting acoustics than any contemporary public space. So whereas spaces used to be built with acoustics in mind, such as churches, they're not really anymore due to many things, including loudspeakers and just a decrease in interest. So what we do is access these underground spaces or unusual spaces to draw attention to what acoustics can mean in the places that we inhabit. The residency allowed me to spend a focused period of time in Barcelona to engage with places and people that the city has to offer, and it's been a really good experience to be able to do that, just only that for a period of time and create this project there.